Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Michael and this is Mike Mode Fashion Tutorial. Please, if you're just joining this channel for the very first time or you just came across this channel for the very first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Actually, this channel, the purpose of this channel is actually to teach fashion designing in its simplicity and also debunk a lot of fashion errors we have in the industry today. Okay, let's get started. For some time now, we have been working on a course or a topic in fashion designing called dart manipulation, and we have been able to work on the single dart series, and now we are working on the double dart or this two dart series. Okay, so we have been able to work on a lot. I think on this video we should be able to wrap up on everything that has to do with dart manipulation. Okay, in this series, so we've been able to work on the side dart. We will be able to work on the shoulder tip dart, the mid shoulder dart, the mid neck, the center front neck. Okay, today, this time around, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be doing something unique, even though it's actually still dart manipulation. However, some other videos we've done in the past, most times for this two dart series, most times we just see the dart remain on the waist, but I want to actually teach us that the waist dart doesn't necessarily have to remain on the waist. Okay, while we move this bust dart around, the waist dart also can be moved around to give us a different effect. Remember, that manipulation, the purpose of that manipulation is not to distort the fit of the garment, it's to actually achieve the same fit of the garment, but however just relocating the darts from one position to the other within a pattern frame. Okay, so today this is what we are going to be doing. We won't be working on I've been teaching two methods. Please, if you have not seen all of my videos, please go check up all of my videos on dart manipulation. We've been working on two methods or two techniques of dart manipulation. We're working on the slash spread technique, and we have been working on the pivotal transfer technique. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to be working on the slash spread technique in this category. Okay, so first things first, this is what I'll be doing. I'm going to be taking a line from my center front neck to my pivotal point. Okay, my side waists. Okay, I'm going to just maybe between 1 to 2 inches, okay, upwards, and I'll just mark a line. Then I'll take a line from my pivotal point or my bust point to that point there. Okay, now this is what I want to achieve. I want to remember I said we are working on the slash and spread method, slash spread technique or method. So what I want to achieve is this. First things first, I want to slash to my bust point or to my apex from the center front neck. Okay, having done that, I'll just crease up my dart leg. I'll just crease up my dart leg this way. That's my side or straight dart leg this way. All right, close this up. Okay, close this up. Then I'll tape. Okay, remember I still have this line. Let's not get things mixed up. I still have this line here. Okay, I still have this line here. Now, so the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be slashing up this line to my apex or my bust point. Okay, while I close this dart. I'm just going to be creasing this up. My masking tape, I'll just close that up. So the general idea is this: the bust that has been taken to the center front neck, while the waist that has been taken to the where we have the French dart. So by the time we place paper underneath this and through this dart, and we will move away from the bust point by 1 inch at both sides. When we sew, this is the effect. This is what we will achieve at the end of the day. So you can see the bust at the center front neckline, and you can see the bust at the French dart we have here. So the dart is actually not limited to the waist and any other part alone. Even the waist dart could be taken to any parts within the pattern frame without distorting or affecting the fit of the garment. All right guys, I hope you have learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till I come your way again, do have a lovely time. Bye bye.